Hi everyone. In today's topic, we'll be discussing what is a palindrome and how to check whether a number or a string is a palindrome. So, palindrome is a word or a phrase where it reads the same as backwards as well as forwards. Okay, so let's take an example. Let's say I have a word called level. So here you can see the first three words are same as the backwards. Okay, so that is called as a palindrome. Same applies for numbers whether the first three numbers are same as the last three numbers. Okay, what I mean is 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Okay, the first three numbers are same as the last three numbers. So this is a palindrome. So let's jump on to the code. So I'll be creating the num variable first. First we'll look on to the numbers. Later on in the code, I'll be modifying it and we'll see the string part. Okay, so number equal to, we'll take a user input here. So before taking a user input, I have to mention it as int. And now we have to take the user input. And inside the user input, we have to give enter a number. Okay. So now the next step is we have to convert this integer into a string. So how we'll be converting this integer to a string using the str function. Okay. So basically that is called as a typecasting. So let's see number underscore str equal to str of num. Okay, so that is converted. So this is no longer a number, it is a string. Okay, so the next step is we have to reverse this string. Okay, reverse the string, reverse string. So how to reverse the string? We'll take a variable reverse underscore str equal to. So here to reverse the string, we'll be using slicing operation. So num underscore str. So basically we are reversing the string. So this is a string. Okay. Num underscore str colon minus 1. Okay. Colon minus 1 means reversing the string or a number. Okay. Okay. The next step is we have to compare the string, the original string with the reverse string. Okay. These two must be compared. Okay. If they are equal, then it is a palindrome. If they are not equal, then it is not a palindrome. Okay. So to compare this, we'll be using if else condition. So if num underscore str double equal to reversed underscore str. Okay. We are comparing num underscore str and reversed underscore str colon. So if they are equal, then what I have to print? I have to print it is a palindrome. So the number is a palindrome. Else, if they are not equal, then it is not a palindrome. The number is not a palindrome. Okay, so let's try by running this. Okay, it is asking me for a number. Let's say 1, 2, 3. Sorry, 1, 2, 3. So it is not a palindrome. So if I run it again, let's say 1, 2, not 1, 2. Let's take 11. So it is a palindrome. Let's take another example. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so the number is a palindrome. So it is working fine. Okay, with the numbers. Now we'll see with strings. Okay, just I'll modify this code. Instead of writing it again, I'll be modifying this. Let's remove this int and enter a string. Okay, so I'll comment this out. And what else we have to modify? So this is a string string. string, string. Okay, and here it should be string, and it is not a number here. The string is a palindrome. Or instead of doing this, let's take another print option. Let me remove this. Okay, we'll be modifying the print statement now. Let's take f string, and here uh, string is palindrome. Okay, here I'll be specifying the string, and here I'll be copying the same. It is not a palindrome. Okay, so let's run this. So let's enter a string, let's say level. Okay, level string is a palindrome. Let's remove the string. It will look better now. There, let's run it again. Let's say madam, madam. So this is also a palindrome. Madam is a palindrome. Okay. So let's take another string. Let's say Python. So Python is not a palindrome. So this is how we will be checking the palindrome for strings and numbers.